This is a Hoover Powerdash Pet. This video is going to be how to disassemble one of these. This one's not worth fixing because it's missing the clean water tank. It's not a common find that I find one of these, so I'm just going to pull this apart. Doesn't look like it's all that difficult. So first thing, pull the nozzle off. So in order to get to the brush chamber, what we're going to do is remove all 4 of these screws, excuse me, 5, one more right up here, and we'll be able to gain access. Just like that. And there's the brush roll. So to remove the belt, all you would do is just whip that around the motor shaft. Just like that. Of course, if you want to change the belt, what you would do is loop your new belt in, move it so it's over the motor shaft, just like that. And grab your brush. And a new belt is going to be way stretchier, or excuse me, a lot more tension is going to be on the new belt. So keep that in mind, but you just move it back down and in place. Make sure those 2 squares are right where they should be, because there's a square end on each side. There you go. That's all there is for that. First we're going to do is pull the wheels off, because I need to save them. Do this up here. You can see kind of like to squeeze those together. Pull it out just like that. So now what we're going to do is get to the cord. So a T15 Torx security bit will work. You're going to remove this one, just like that. Move all these, and depending on how this is set up, we might actually have to take the bottom apart as well. Looks like we have a couple other screws we might have to pull out here. All right, so with those 2 out, let's see what we can do. Easy enough. So the cord goes all the way down into here, so we are going to have to take that apart. We have quite literally a smorgasbord of screws to pull out. You have 1 on each side of the wheel well. You have 1 up here, 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 there, 1 there. Looks like 2 there. One thing I did want to show you guys is underneath this cover, we have another screw right there. So you'll have to remove that. I just broke this thing trying to get it out, and I didn't realize that that came off as well. It doesn't tell you anywhere on here that you're supposed to remove this, but whatever. I'm scrapping this thing, so I'm not really too worried about it. So this is how you would remove the motor on one of these, just like this. It's a lot of work for an $80 machine. So now we're going to take this tubing, and of course, in order to get to the cord, we're going to have to pull this piece out. Grab your cord. Just like that. So pull the cord out. You have to pull that rubber grommet. Pull that off. Run the cord out, just like that. And of course, the last piece here is your strain relief. So that's it. That's how you completely disassemble one of these. It's not something I would recommend for just anybody to do. Like I said, these only retail for 80 to 100 bucks. You might as well just buy a new one. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more.